Are you searching for best compound miter saw in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on Amazon products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best compound miter saw on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Metabo Compound Miter Saw. Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw offers high power for making the most demanding cuts with a 15-amp motor. It is sometimes difficult to make cuts with a heavyweight miter saw. If you feel the same, this miter saw is lightweight with only 24.2 pounds, making it easy to use with significant portability. The miter saw has a horizontal handle for a secure grip and hold to the user. This saw comes with a 5-year tool warranty that won't make you worry about its durability. Best point, amazing value, easy to use for beginners, 5 years warranty. Number 2. DEWALT Compound Miter Saw. The 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor to drive 4,000 RPM, delivering extended power and durability. It features a stainless steel miter detent plate and cam miter lock that provide repeatable accuracy and durability with easy adjustments. Its lightweight design and built-in carry handle are ideal for portability. Special feature, brushless, makes precise cuts. Number 3. Skil Compound Miter Saw. The Skil miter saw has a LED shadow line that helps you to make high-precision cuts easily. This is far better than your traditional laser on the blade for accuracy. Also, it can help you work daily without straining your hand as it has a lightweight design. At the same time, it has a built-in carrying handle for more convenience. You will get this with a cam miter lock knob that gives more ease in making adjustments while making different cuts. You will even get good value for money with this durable miter saw. Another feature of this miter saw is that it comes with a quick work clamp to secure the materials for a more safe cut quickly. This will reduce the chances of accidents and injuries. Best point, easy to set up, 3-year limited warranty, good for fast work. Number 4. Bosch Compound Miter Saw. The Bosch GCM12SD is a 12-inch dual-bevel glide miter saw that features a smooth cutting motion, accurate performance, and a space-saving design of the Bosch exclusive axial glide system. Pre-aligned square lock fences help the saw maintain precision throughout its life. A soft grip ambidextrous handle along with a combination dust chute and vacuum adapter add to user comfort. The saw also offers a large cutting capacity, easy-to-read bevel and miter scales with detents at common angles, and easy access upfront controls. Best point, easy to adjust bevel and angle, compact cutting, precise control, versatile saw, adjustable, 1-year warranty. Number 5. Makita Compound Miter Saw. Makita's 10-inch compound miter saw combines power, performance, and ease of use for most common miter cuts, including a range of applications including woodworking, cabinetry, deck building, framing, and more. 15-amp motor for improved performance. The LS1040 has a dynamically balanced 15-amp direct drive motor with 4,600 RPM for improved performance. The direct drive motor with soft start delivers smoother startups and constant power, with no belts to slip or replace. Precise miter and bevel cuts. The LS1040 has a dual-post compound pivot arm, with bevel cuts up to 45 degrees to the left, lightweight and easy to carry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.